caught this Ethereum trade, guys. This is it. You can see it is moving massively. All right, I took a long position. Now this is what I do. This is the breakdown of the trade. First of all, I went to the weekly time frame as usual, guys. You cannot trade without observing what is happening in the higher time frame. Okay, so I went to the weekly time frame and I was able to spot this guy here. This is the most recent break of structure and it's to the upside. Okay, so I mark the break of structure and then I mark the high and then I mark what? The low. All right, so that is it. That is what we do on the weekly time frame, just so that we can be able to get our trading range. This is trading range. The distance from this high to this low is our trading range. All right, that is what you want to get on the weekly time frame. So let us proceed and then let's go to the daily time frame. So here on the daily time frame, we want to understand the current trend of the market. You can see it, guys. I've marked it out. You see that we have a bullish setup. This is a bullish break of structure. We have the first one, we have the second one. All right, so these two break of structure to the upside has automatically told us that our bias is bullish, meaning that the trend is what? Bullish as of this time. Okay, it is bullish. All right, that is what our directional bias on the daily time frame. We want to know if the market is bullish or it is what? Bearish. So we have ascertained that the market is what? Bullish. So what do? We now go to the 4-hour time frame. Here on the 4-hour time frame, we want to get the most recent break of structure that align with our bias, bullish. All right, so you can see that this is on the 4-hour time frame, and then we'll have all of this structure. It's a bit chubby, like as if it is ranging, but remember, guys, we don't trade ranging market. All right, we don't trade ranging market. This is what is happening here. You can see that price was breaking structure to the upside like this, breaking structure to the upside. At a point, it started what? Ranging, something like this. This is what? A ranging market. After a ranging market, we expect what? A bullish break to the upside and continue the move. That is it. So we don't trade ranging market. If the market is ranging, look out for the previous trend and stay with it, guys. So that is one secret that nobody will tell you in this trading industry, but I'm here to tell you everything I did. Okay, everything I did on how I took my trade. So this is on the 4-hour. Like I told you, we are looking for the most recent structure that align with the daily structure, which is this guy here. All right, this guy, this is it here. This one, this is a break of structure to the upside. You can see it. It is a break of structure to the upside on the 4-hour time frame. So I mark it out. After I have marked it out, then I want to study this movement here. I want to get the substructure inside of this 4-hour bullish structure. All right, and that will be done on the 1-hour time frame, because I want to be able to mark out my point of interest. My point of interest is simply what? The order block, and in this case it is what? A bullish order block. So this is what we do, guys. Simply go to the 1-hour time frame. Here on the 1-hour time frame, we are looking for what? Bullish order block. Then I was able to spot this guy. As of when I marked out this order block, it has not been tested, it has not been mitigated. All right, it is very fresh. All right, so this is the first time price came to it, this guy here. That is the first time price tested my order block, and when price tested the order block, I saw this push away. I saw this serious push away, guys. All right, so when I saw this push away, what I did was to step down to the 5 minutes time frame to understand what happened. I want to see if actually we have a liquidity sweep, all right, then a change of character, and a continuation break of structure, so that I can be able to get my inducement and then take the trade. Okay, so see what I did here. This is what I did. I quickly say, okay, let me go to the 5 minutes time frame. Let's see what we have here. So here on the 5 minutes time frame, guys, you can see it. You can see it. this is it. Okay, yeah, this is it here. Let me go back to the 1 hour time frame. Let me use this circle. I like to use this circle so that I don't get confused when I get to the 5 minutes. This is it here. This is the first time price tap our 1 hour zone. All right, so like this now I can now scale down to the 5 minutes time frame so that I'll be able to get to that point. This is it here. You see it now. So this is it. This is where price tap is the first time. So I have to study the structure. Now. So in studying the structure, I found out that we have a clear liquidity sweep, price sweep liquidity, tap my order block, then boom, change of character. All right, this is my change of character. And then once we have this change of character, we also have a break of structure further, this small break of structure. All right, we have this small break of structure, then to confirm that we are now what, bullish, then automatically this low becomes my inducement low here. This area becomes my inducement low, and I expect price to take it away. All right, this is it. Good. I expect price to take it away. So now, having gotten this, now some persons will want to enter off this order block here. This is it. This guy. Some persons want to enter off that order block, but you can see how price swept them. Okay, you can see how price invalidates that order block. Normally I saw the order block, it was very clean, beautiful, but that is not part of my entry. I like to take trade at the extreme area, so that my stop loss will be below the swing low. All right, so this is too much for me, so I can't take it. No matter how beautiful it is, I can't take it. All right, so when I measure my trade from here to this guy, I find a good zone. You see, this area is a very good zone for me, and that is exactly where I took my trade, this area here. So I cannot delete this stuff. This is it. You can see how price came. You see it, how price came, tap that zone. This is the zone I marked earlier, this guy, this area. Price tapped it and we are pushing up. This is just what, a trade of 1:3. Guys, do not be greedy in this industry. I trade 1:3 consistently. I don't use break even. Yeah, I don't use break even. It's either price hit my stop loss or give me 1:3 take profit. So I don't set break even. So that is it, guys. That is it. That is how I was able to capture this trade. All right, so it's currently running on my Bybit right now. So if you need more of this kind of explanation how I catch my trades, please do it to like, comment and share. All right, and then if you have any question, you can still ask your questions on the comment section. I don't mind making a full-blown video just to explain to you. Okay, so thank you very much for following me to this end. Thank you. I love you. God bless you.